Okay, let's go ahead and finish the other half of the Blue Ridge Parkway cards that are in, says connecting Virginia with North Carolina. So there's the first one. This all the way right. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, seeing that one also looks like it's, a drawing as opposed to a photograph. Okay.
Doesn't that just feel like the start of a good day? A piece composed and performed by Harpist and violinist duo.
Yeah, I don't feel like getting up to mute the DJ who's talking. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure why that was included. Is it frozen? Oh, okay, yeah. Huh. Interesting. Yeah, interesting. Okay. That's pretty. Yeah, snow is pretty to look at, but it stinks to drive through. Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. And of course, yeah, the rest of that, the April showers do bring Mayflowers. What do Mayflowers bring? Pilgrims. Okay. Oh, those are pretty. It says they're wildflowers. They kind of look similar to pansies, but I don't know if that's just because it's purple. A trillium. Trillium. Why does that name almost sounds like the name from Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy? I was thinking her name was Trillium or something like that. Okay. It says it's the highest peak in the Blue Ridge Range. Okay. Okay, because I think that Moses H. Cone is the one where I said, well, why is this picture in there? But I think it's because it belongs to this, or belonged to this person. Okay. That makes sense now. Okay. Oop. We're out of time. Oh, okay. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Huh. Okay, well, that's it for these cards.